Hi, welcome to this quick Excel tutorial. I'll show you how to calculate percentage decrease using a simple formula. Here I have a list of products with their old prices and new prices. We want to calculate how much the price has decreased in percentage. First, you can see I have created a column with the heading percent decrease. Here under this heading, in the first cell, I will type the formula. I will write equal and first I will select the old price minus the new price. I will keep it in parentheses and I will divide this on the older price. And to get the result in percentage, I will multiply it with 100. Let me explain this formula quickly. Excel first subtracts the new price from the old price to find the decrease amount. Then it divides the value by the original price. And to change it into percentage, I have multiplied this with 100. Now to get the percentage decrease for the rest of the products, I will go to the bottom right corner of this cell and double click it. To change the decimal values to the whole numbers, I will click on this decrease decimal icon. So in this way, you can easily calculate the percentage decrease on different products. You just need to put the formula for the first product and the percentage decrease for the rest of the products will automatically calculate it. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.